ye Pinax TV ye be da ahwefo ase ne ahye so mo be jemre na update ayensa aka wo Ghana ha ne amano ne yemfa ne nyina embre mu ene ehwie na emsa afimo ani na Ghana ha yenya plane crash ma government officials emu enwotwe na omo efri mu emsa afimo na yewura from free echine ko 1st August na yewura mu na oko Nigeria ehonso so another plane crash I see wo hodom ama amanfo dodo na omo ensu no egujem because Enugu omo aircraft bako na memfa ne say a veer off the runway na ekoye ekokoshe enwuram ti on your screens plane na tifas won say the tires ni nyina say tutu eti eno na amanfo dodo na question the safety of passengers as say am no ka say across the West African region omo tutu kwan no incident ukọ aviation mo friend runway excursion ebi NAC eti plane na ko ba bia wo say ko nyina na eba bedru airland no etimi etifa so na sia Accra International Airport ye the update brem say plane 2 ye free Accra International Airport no so aircraft omo detect say smoke kakra bi as a unity ewo mu and a plane no sa returning eba land back ewo Accra International Airport na the same thing enso so na say enka ASC ewo Nigeria we there plane no akọ baby o say ekọ a returning back na ema ensem we ekokosi na quickly no ye be ko ne akọhwe what really happened ewo ho time one plane no ekohye nwura mu saa amanfo dodo na omu so omu esisi afiri ye ba oko Enugu air omu X handle so omu the updates ekoto so what really happened there na see and see plane no etimi free runway no so ekokohye nwura mu yanko ne he video we ne mra sisi
Run for my life. Me will survive this one. I run. I not die again now. Wait, leg pull. My God is wonderful. Glad I'll survive this one. Move!
Enti crash site hona you could see some people were running helter skelter trying to find a safe place now omo akwa coach now you could see fire service for so around ambulance omo nyina around na omo eboa se omo betimi a save ni padodo na omo kan crash landing ni mu no na Enugu omo de betu dwa se plane na ekoko entimi alandi ye kohye nwura mu no omo nsa timi aka plane no no ka say omo atimi akoyi plane no they want to find ways to assess. You could see say in the video no na tie ne ba ko tu enti utimu say the landing instead of saying kobenya ebia a very flat landing no or the either say na chi ana nanimu na ekosi ho na force no to me say na ano edin a ma tie no ebi etimi to you. So you could see in the video say tie no bi etu na eda crash site honum na omoso eda ba beto so say they want to do thorough investigations into this crash landing na ma plane no free runway no so ekoya ekoshe nwura mu nti o so they atudwa so because of this incident nti most of their flights flight schedules do na besisa ama Enugu air na ena me no ka say a lot of people are so much concerned with some of these things because Enche the vice president of Zambia also had a plane crash. It was Zambia. The vice president of Zambia also had a plane crash. Ono de ne ho etona ne ho anka na still no the updates by chemu se omo multi-plane passengers any crew omo ye adwuma wo mu nyina nyame adom omo etimi eyi omo na you could see how people who were waiting for their family members airport, how they ran to that place trying to get a glimpse of their family members that they were waiting for. So we have another angle of that particular video. I don't want to talk much. We'll go and watch that video. Yeah, but na ya sanso aba betwa so more updates on this plane crash. Yeah, Mras is saying.
No, it never. Oh my goodness. Mama somewhere house. No, it never.
Another angle of it now. Where people were trying to catch a glimpse of their family members, whether they are safe, some people calling their boyfriends and their husbands' names as whether they are safe and all that. And also another side, and that's another angle of the video of the crash site. People were trooping in and talking about the fact that Omo Edenyamia say we and me and your mon kwan free omon sem no mon ye sure say bibia ebetimi age omon kwan free omon sem bio. So in a video where people were trying to call out their family members, their names and all that, you know, and also ewo ho ye de eno ebema mo ye ba there's a statement bia no so ye de ebema mo no mo hu the echo or the aftermath of the plane crash. Here video we so na emra sisi.
God, I thank you for my life, oh Jesus.
And also another angle of the videos Enugu air a crash landing here Benin airport and yede mamono na utimu se ekoko yare hosem. But God being so good, no, a lot of mechanics say more plane most of them and they were safer etimi free plane. So you could see Enugu air flight commercial flight caught within Ghana Hasianka flight free Ebia Kumase Eba Accra and Accra International Airport and Enya crash landing. So it has put a lot of people and a lot of passengers are more used to flights. No, it has put them on their toes because you know. Overflow plane na and tall because you know some of the planes some sounds be our betty woman na I say ama wo yam cry den ehyehyw eti eno ene Enugu air omo flight lande wo Benin airport and to me land ye ho ensem na yede mamono eti on your screens the crash site afi no join here plane no eko hyenwura mu ne ho na etimi eko stop here ma sisi ame no ka say amanfo dodo na omo etimi ayi omo edi omo free plane ma omo so a was omo call hospital. You know some people are traumatized or see a call na ye ma omo psychologist na omo timi psyche omo say some of these things happens once betimi a check akran sana etimi esi betimi aba so say in all your lifetime bibi say etimi ento eda etie no eye Enugu omo plane na ekokonya accident medin kan the update na ma o say che bia Benin for there Zambia for there ebi esi wo ho Ghana afi mu ani na Ghana yenso experience ye plane crash eno so ho ahoboabo aban no eguso a omo ehwe de omo betimi aye na omo e dey celebrate omo efri mu no eti eno any update ye dey emamo as to yes Enugu flight akwakonya crash landing e wo Benin airport nti ye hwe sa video we ye ba na ya ba beto aso de amamo.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, eti yebema omo mutimi eje omo ho edi free sa plane crash we omo nyina free mu nti yebeto update ne so na yede ensem no ede amamo medin ka the update na ma wo say afimu ani na Ghana ha yenya plane crash